Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will understand what delimitation means. It is an important process to make sure our elections are fair. So let's start the video. Delimitation simply means redrawing the boundaries of electoral areas called constituencies. This happens because the population keeps changing. Some areas grow bigger, some smaller. So, to give everyone equal representation in parliament and state assemblies, the boundaries are updated. Delimitation in India is done by a special body called the Delimitation Commission. It is appointed by the President of India and works along with the Election Commission. The Delimitation Commission is independent, which means the government cannot influence its decisions. Delimitation usually happens after every census because the census tells us how the population has changed. The last major delimitation happened between 2002 and 2008 based on the 2001 census. The next big delimitation is expected after 2026 once the new population data is ready. The Delimitation Commission first looks at the latest population data. Then it adjusts the boundaries of constituencies so that every elected leader represents almost the same number of people. This makes sure that no area is unfairly bigger or smaller than others. Delimitation is very important because it gives equal weight to every vote. Without it, some areas would have too many voters and some very few, which is unfair. By correcting these imbalances, delimitation helps in choosing better leaders and improve governance. But delimitation is not always easy. It is a politically sensitive topic because changing boundaries can affect which parties wins. Also, India's diversity make it hard to balance the demands of different regions, languages and communities. Now let's talk about the important history of delimitation in India. The first delimitation was done in 1952 after India became a republic to set up proper constituencies. In 1963, there was another adjustment after many states were reorganized based on languages like Maharashtra, Gujarat, etc. Then in 1973, delimitation happened again, but this time based on the 1970 word census. After that, in 2002, Parliament passed a law to freeze the number of seats till the year 2026. This was done to reward states like Kerala and Tamil Nadu that control their population while not punishing others. So now, although India's population has increased a lot, the number of seats is still the same. After 2026, when the freeze is lifted, we may see major changes in the number and sizes of constituencies. So, in simple words, delimitation is very important for a fair democracy. It makes sure that the power of the people is properly balanced with the size of the population. It keeps India's democracy healthy and strong. That's all for today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal insights. See you in the next video.